So I had a piece of lattice left over from the other job. So I was thinking I'm going to put some up over here in the corner. Right here, and give it a little privacy. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the way this part turned out. Made a little frame for it here to hold it in place. Let's go outside and have a look at it. See how that section looks. Yeah, that looks good. See, I put a little angle on there just for a little extra detail. Okay, let's get in there and build the other section. Alright, well, it does the trick in here. You can see it kind of blocks things out there, gives you a little more privacy. Maybe I'll put a vine growing on there. And the important thing is it looks good from outside. Let's go out there and have a look. Alright, well, there's the finished product out from the street view. I think I'm happy with the way it looks, and it's a good use of that piece of lattice so it doesn't get broken. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and give me the old thumbs up. This is the Homestead Handyman out.